What is up, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, bringing you another property tour video. Now, if you've been following my channel, then you've probably heard me mention Brickell City Center about 1,000 times. And that's because it is such a focal point in the Brickell neighborhood. And it is in BCC where our property tour for today takes place. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, allow me to bring you up to speed. Brickell City Center, or BCC as referred to, is a 9-acre shopping and mixed-use project that encompasses retail, commercial, and residential space. And it is situated in the heart of Brickell. The two residential towers located at BCC are Reach and Rise, and today's tour takes us to an amazing furnished 1-bedroom, 1-bath and a half with city and bay views at the Reach condominium. My team just rented this property you're about to see for $4,000 a month, and a similar layout like this one will fetch around $500,000 in today's purchase market. Let's get started with today's video, and as always, help support this channel by subscribing. I post new videos once a week, and by clicking that thumbs up button, which in turn helps me to create more content like this one for you all in the future. Walking down Southeast 6th Street towards the entrance of Reach, you will start to see all of the retail space offered by BCC that surround the ground level of this building. And that is one of the best things about this condo, in that you're essentially living on top of one of Miami's hottest go-to spots. You have access to some of the best designer stores, great restaurants, rooftop bars, and even a movie theater all at your disposal, which in my opinion is just an extension to the amenities that the building already provides to their residents. Reach has two lobbies, the second of which is where you will find all the amenities. Stick around to see what those look like towards the latter part of this video. But as you can see here, the entire building is designed with class and sophistication. It embodies the modern design that is so widely used today, while still paying homage to some of those classic and timeless designs that came before it. When considering the average square feet of a 1-bedroom condo in Brickell, you will quickly come to find out that this layout in particular is quite spacious in comparison. At 879 square feet of interior space, you have plenty of room to stretch your legs. And just as I mentioned in the lobby, the theme of these units are all designed with a modern and sophisticated look that differs from a lot of their counterparts. The modern design of this kitchen is one of my favorites. It's not just the Italian cabinetry that raises the quality and feel, but I just love how some of the appliances are intentionally made to blend with its surroundings. The earthy tones of the countertops and the backsplash provide for that classic Brickell feel. The open flow layout has been around for some time now, and this unit is no exception to that rule. Being that it is east facing, it usually gets a ton of natural light. However, the weather in Miami has not been working with anyone recently, so today is not a great example of that. However, what is a great example is just how well the interior and exterior space blends in with one another when you have the sliding doors open. And of course, the highlight of this property are the insane views of Biscayne Bay and Brickell that you get from your balcony. A wide enough balcony space is always a plus for seating and entertaining guests outside, and this balcony does a great job in that. Now, making our way back in, one of the best features any 1-bedroom can have, in my opinion, is having a half bath. I obviously don't have to mention how useful this is for guests, but it is also just very practical since the master bath is on the other side of this condo. So if you've ever been in an apartment without a half bath, and you have been in an apartment with a half bath, then if you know, you know. And speaking of master bedrooms, this one is spacious in comparison to what else you will find on the market for around this price point. Again, not a ton of natural light today, but believe me when I tell you that that is not an issue on most sunny Miami days. It is also great to have balcony access from both the bedroom and living room, and of course, this unit does not disappoint in that department. And last, but certainly not least, you have the master bath that houses the closet. I think they did a great job with this space because not only do you get a great built-in walk-in closet, which everyone is going to be a fan of, but aside from that, you also get a dual vanity, and the developer was somehow able to fit in a master tub and a large glass enclosed shower. Not sure how they did this, but everything blends in so perfectly well. So at the beginning of this video, I promised you all a tour of some of the amenities found at Reach, and this is exactly what we're about to do. So sit back and relax and enjoy some of this great B-roll of some of the amazing amenities you can find here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on any of the videos you see here on screen to continue learning more about Miami real estate. And as always, I'll see you all next week. God bless.